everyone. So what is the core? The core is more than your abdominals. The core is everything from your hips to your shoulders. Now it doesn't include your arms and legs or your head. LYT yoga is all about more core, more core, more core. And at the beginning of every LYT yoga class, we concentrate on the core to create integration, connection, to create more mobility, more stability, and freedom in your movement. Today I'm going to demonstrate the basic mechanics of the abdominal work that we do. So here we go. Now a lot of times when you come to lie on your mat, you may just go plop, right? So notice the plop. My pelvis is in this anterior tilt. It's kind of spilling down, which causes my abdominals to disengage. I have this excess arch in my low back. Ribs are popping up. My chin may be lifting as well, and I'm just here. And this is the way we move through life, the way we sit, the way we walk, the way we exercise, right? And there could also very well be a lot of pain and discomfort. So we need to retrain poor posture habits and patterns of compensation. And this is why LYT yoga is so amazing, because it does that. So from this plop, let's lengthen the tailbone towards our heels. Okay? Bring your hands into like a diamond shape. So the base of the palms on top of the frontal hip points, your ASIS, fingertips towards your pubic bone and thumbs towards your belly button. And you want to make sure that the pelvis and your hands are all on this horizontal plane, that there's no dipping. Okay? Now, feel that the pelvis, the sides of the pelvis are moving towards each other. They're not really going to move, but imagine that. And then the belly really drawing down towards the back. Take your hands on your outer ribs and go, ha, and draw those ribs together and down, keeping this connection. Feel the shoulder blades on the mat without the ribs popping. So really contain the torso here as the shoulder blades press into the mat. And then you want the back of the skull. Now if the chin is lifted, you may have to lift the head a little, bring the chin in and set the head back down. And if it still lifts, bring a folded towel or something underneath the back of your skull to create that neutral posture in your neck and chin. So we feel the connection of the back of the skull, shoulder blades, and sacrum, all in alignment. Now, keep that integration. Interlace your fingers and bring the hands behind the back of your skull, elbows up. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Lift the shoulder blades off of the mat without pulling on your neck. Soften the head into the hands while keeping the shoulder blades lifted, and then draw the belly and the front ribs down. Inhale and lower. Now when you lower, stay integrated. Don't open and plop again. So really contain, lengthen, draw everything in. Inhale. Exhale, lift the shoulder blades off of the mat. Don't pull on the neck and draw the front body down. Take your right hand on the outer left ribs. Pull those ribs into midline and see how that allows you to lift up a little bit higher. Bring your right hand back behind your head. Inhale and lower. Keep connected. Exhale, lift up. Draw the front body in. Left hand on the outer right ribs. Pull those ribs in to lift you up a little bit higher. Hand behind your head. Inhale and lower. Adding a twist. Exhale, lift up. Now from the central axis of your body, turn an inch. Very small twist to the left. The left shoulder blade stays off of the mat. Notice I'm not side bending and leaning onto my left shoulder blade. So it's a very small twist. Come back through center. Inhale and lower. Exhale, lift up. Draw everything in. From your center, turn an inch to the right. Right shoulder blade stays lifted. Come back through center. Inhale and lower. Good. So, more core, more core, more core, while using the proper body mechanics, alignment, maintaining that neutral spine and neutral pelvis. And we need to do that work to retrain our poor posture, habits, and patterns of compensation. So I hope that was informative to you, and we'll be adding on to our abdominal work. And remember, more core, more core, more core. Namaste, my friends.